Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Edifier X3s with any Windows PC or laptop. So before the pairing, remember to charge your earbuds and the charging case for like 20 minutes and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And the next step, you have to open the case and remove both earbuds. Right now you have to grab them just like that and click and hold on these two buttons until indicators starts blinking, just like that, red and blue. Put them close to your device, then go for the start, go to the settings, go to the left side to the Bluetooth and devices, click to add device and select Bluetooth. And right now from this list you have to select your Edifier X3s. And if you want to use the microphone of these earbuds, you have to manually switch in the system sound settings from internal speaker of our laptop to external of our Edifier X3s. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.